What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Denise. So this is a little bit of a different intro because I don't have my camera on the tripod. But reason being is because a lot of you have wanted a room tour with details of where I bought all the stuff that I decided to decorate my room with. So I decided to do it in this video. I want to just show you guys every piece in my room, let you know where I purchased it, and also tell you why I decorated it the way I decorated it. So maybe it gives you guys a few ideas on how you can decorate your room. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. Alright, so I'm gonna turn the camera around so we can get right into this. So first, this is a clear overview of my room. I have some stuff on the wall, my full-length mirror, and then my dresser wall. There we have some packages, a little painting, some birthday flowers. I still have that I need to take out because they're clearly dead by now. So this is my room. It's a pretty spacious room. Let's start right here. So these two lamps I bought on Amazon, and I knew I wanted some like pretty nightstand lamps that kind of like weren't too bulky or had like that thick like cover on them. I wanted something more delicate, so that's why I opted out for the one with these like dangling diamond inspired beads. So I actually, fun fact, I had to put in string by string in this lamp because the lamp comes undone, so you do have to build it when it arrives. I mean, the only thing you really have to do is put the base of it and then the top of it on, and then put in every single one of these little beads in these little individual holes that you see here. So it's a little bit time consuming, but it ends up looking like this. Very beautiful, very delicate, and they look expensive, and honestly I think they were like $40, so that's a sale. So I have a beautiful frame here that my mom gave me. It's a little poem to her daughter. It's beautiful. I have this marble digital clock that I also got on Amazon. As you can see, I'm obsessed with marble. I have my white beads pill, some marble coasters my girlfriend got me, and then the nightstand, which is mirrored, as well as my dresser. Guys, everything I got in my room is basically from Amazon. I found these on Amazon as well. You do have to build them, so be prepared to be Bob the Builder. These are House of CB boxes of previous items I've purchased, and I just thought it looked cute with the room just because it goes with like the aesthetic, because clearly my room is gray, white, and that like rusty pink kind of color, mauve, whatever you want to call it. In this corner I just have my ring light. I don't like a lot of things on my dressers. I don't like a lot of things in my room, period. As you can see, I'm very much like a little anal when it comes to that. What's up guys? So I look different, yes. Had to finish this the next day because your girl has stuff to do. So let me continue this room tour. So this is my bed. I did purchase the bed frame, the throw pillows, and the throw blanket, all in Z Gallery, even the duvet that's covering the bed with the matching pillowcases. This is what it looks like up close. It is suede. So when I was thinking of decorating my room, I knew that I wanted to do like a pink and white sequins because pink is my favorite color. I decided on the gray because I feel like it just gives the room like a clean, classy look. When I was thinking of how to decorate the bed, I knew I wanted to get a throw pillow and I knew I wanted to get a throw blanket. I just wasn't sure like the sequence of the colors, like how was I gonna do it. So I know you guys can tell, like I have the white pillows that I sleep on, then I have the pink throw one, and then I have two gray ones in the front. I actually purchased this throw pillow on Wayfair.com. I just got lucky that the throw pillow ended up being the same pink tone. Actually, what I wanted to originally do was have these white ones, the gray ones, and then a small pink one in the front. But when the pink one came in, it was one of those like long pillows, and I didn't know because on the website it looked tiny. So I had to change the design, but it ended up working out better because I feel like the gray headboard looks better with two gray pillows in the front. And maybe I'm thinking too much into this, but that's me. So then on this nightstand, I just have another one of the lamps. I have my diffuser. So in the diffuser, you put these aromas from doTERRA. I have the Melaleuca, which is, it helps like when you're sick and stuff. I have a peppermint, and it helps when you're sick as well. Lavender helps with like relaxation, and auras, like, I don't know if y'all believe in that, but I do. So you just put a few drops, you open this, you take off this top, put a few drops of the essential oils, and it like brings it out through like the little hole and purifies your air. I actually got that marble design in Amazon. Another marble coaster. A photo of my university graduation. I went to FIU, Florida International University in Miami. My parents, the first time they came to LA ever, it was without me, and they bought me my little Oscar. And yeah, this is the second nightstand. On this side I have my full length mirror. This is actually from IKEA, and it's a black mirror, a black border mirror. And I bought that marble like sticker thing on Amazon, and actually made this mirror marble. There's a video of that on my IGTV if you guys want to see how I did it. And then on this wall I have my dresser. The dresser is also from Amazon. Venus marble cover flowers with white roses. I have a little jewelry box that I got on Amazon, but that's like temporary. I have this jewelry box back at home that I wanted to bring, but it goes like behind the door, but since I didn't buy it yet, I just got this one to make it look cute. And then the little two accessories in the top are from Hobby Lobby, just something to add to the room. There's something in here. My jewelry's in there, some birthday flowers that I need to throw out because they're dead, a little sign that says love what you do and do what you love, from I think Hobby Lobby as well. And then I got these plastic marble candles on Amazon as well. They electronically do turn on, but they are fake. They're plastic, you see. With batteries, they'll turn on. Super cute, right? I knew I wanted to put decorations on top of my dresser because I just didn't want it to look empty. And I knew for sure I was gonna get those flowers, so I like thought around, okay, what else can I put on this dresser aside from the flowers? Because the box is clearly like a big flower box, I didn't want to put huge items next to it, so it could still look very clean. Above it I have two big frames. I got these frames on Etsy. I'll link it down below. And the actual frame is from Hobby Lobby, just white border. I actually custom made each one to fit that specific way, because this frame actually comes with two next to it that fits the same, but I wanted a rectangular one. So yeah, these are custom, but I'll link it down below so you guys could have access to the designer. On this wall I just have my calendar, my to-do list for the month, a few photos of friends. I have here a lot of occasions. Me and Lily in Vegas, my cousin, future MLB player, I promise. This was, I don't remember what party this was. Event, the reckless prom, just friends living their best life. Ask, believe, and receive. If you guys know where that's from, you could be friends with me. And then yeah, it's basically my room, guys. So that is all for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry for the switch up, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Love you, and see you here next time.